Boy, must him mad out order and road. Want put him foot down in a teach them shows. Boy, must him mad out order and road. Want put him foot down in a ninja foot shows. Flipping and lipping and call the wrong name. Walking too fast and take the wrong lane. Little bit of boy them when I brought up na train. I tell teach them, then we make him blood drain. Hunting for stripe and them hunting for fame. A box so your teeth scatter like a corn grain. Remember that here?
I am here vibing with one of the true warriors of the dancehall space. His parents named him Glenton Foreman, but we know him as
Ninja Ford.
Father Ford.
Aile.
Surfboard.
Yes.
All is well, sir?
Selassie.
Give thanks, give thanks.
Nuff of them a fi go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this ninja Ford. Nuff of them a fi go jump overboard. This teach them and get lyrics download. One who run street and who run the broad road. Ask man from Tower Hill, man from all road. Tell your ninja man and him son ninja Ford. Long with predator who ugly like toad. Wicked and bad through them a wear pretty clothes. This is teach them with a new episode. Nuff of them a fi go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this ninja Ford. Nuff of them a fi go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this ninja Ford. Ask a question, one know me hour. I'm not dirt, punch shot collar, man a dapper, no crapper. Remember that.
Teach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
Surfboard.
Yes, my boss.
It's a joy, brother.
Yeah, man.
Man, look young.
Give thanks to
Some
life.
look great things there.
Yeah. I say it go.
Yo, yeah?
Yeah, I
Talk
say it
to
go.
us though. Early life, place of birth.
All right, early life. You know, say St. Thomas, my birth parish. That.
Yeah.
You see me, I say.
Man from the east.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're the first man from the east then, man.
One of them.
One of them.
Yeah. You did have people before me.
Entertainers.
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cause the man who introduced me to the business, you know, he was before all of us.
And he's a St. Thomas man.
Yeah, man. The great late Simple Simon.
Simple Simon.
Rest in power.
We get round to Simple Simon.
All
so,
right.
which part of St. Thomas you grew up?
All right. I grew up. When I say I grew up, more than one district. You know?
Yes.
So I say at one point, I live at Hampton Court. At one point, I live at Chiswick. At one point, I also live at Dalvey. You know? Yeah, man.
Where did you attend school?
All right. First, I attend basic school in Rocky Point, you know. And
That is in St. Thomas?
yeah, man, same place in St. Thomas. Then I go to primary school in Hampton Court. And then after the primary school, I leave and go to secondary school. Out at Stokesall, you know. Originally, it used to name Stokesall Secondary. Now it changed to St. Thomas Technical.
St. Thomas Tech. How many brothers and sisters you have?
All right, my mother have 11 kids.
Yeah.
4 daughters, 7 sons. And me have 3 other bigger brother by my father's side.
Okay.
So a crocus bag of brother.
Whole heap of siblings?
Yes.
Yes, and all of them still around?
One of my father's
Son.
drop out. Rest in peace.
Condolences,
Brother James.
Yeah.
He's the eldest one.
Okay.
Yes.
And mommy and daddy still around?
Papa gone,
Papa Chad.
but mama still there around.
Give thanks.
Yes.
And condolences really
Yeah,
old
man.
man.
Rest in power, Papa Foreman.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess mommy good.
Yeah, man, mama good.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
What was it like growing up more from a financial perspective, Ninja?
All right. Financial perspective, poor life.
Poor life.
Yeah. We know about you go to school without shoes, you know. I have bring water up on our head from distance from yard, you know. Crocus bag a mile, you know, we have to travel. We carry water yard.
Yeah.
We know about the whole of them thing there. You see me I say? We know about the hard work and them thing there, the hustling from an early stage. You see me I say? Yeah man, we know about catch crab and all them thing, they push you and all in a crab hole and take out crab and them thing there. So I say just we earn $1. We know about billing grass and chop all cane and them thing there. Because St. Thomas is one place, anybody where come from St. Thomas them can tell us say, St. Thomas is a place where either you go to the cane field or you go be a fisherman or you go work at the banana plantation. You see me I say? Yeah.
So you just
Right,
fall
that's
in
it.
line and
Yeah
do the
man.
thing.
Yeah, because honest bread, you know.
True.
We rather go honest more than go the wrong way, you know.
True.
You see me I say? Yeah, man. But at the same time, growing up in St. Thomas, you know, me still have it as a farmer preparation, you know. Those life, you know, at the time did a prepare me for now. You see me I say? Cause a whole heap of things me learn from them life there.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man.
How well did you do in high school though?
All right.
That's so exciting.
Tell you the truth. I go as far as 9th grade. When I go to 10th grade now, because of the financial reservoir, my mother and father financial reservoir never too up there, dry up. Yeah, I have to stop going to school.
Yeah.
You know, but to be truthful, in those days, me never know how important is education.
Yeah.
You see me I say so. If me did know how important it is education in those days, I still find a way and push through.
So when you stopped going to school at grade 9, that is when you went to do the cane chopping and thing, or what did you do immediately after stop going to school?
After that, because my father used to be a supervisor, you know, for the cane plantation.
Okay.
You know? So right away, you know, we blend in with Papa. Papa start giving some work and everything there.
Yeah.
You know, so go and do this a little thing and hustle me out. You see me I say.
So how long were you doing that for though?
Well, maybe me do that for maybe a 2 year.
2 years.
You know, because one at the time, you know, after the cutting of cane and billing grass, you know, me used to do a little fishing, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fishing.
Yeah, man. Because originally, you know, before DJ business, I was a fisherman.
Okay.
You see me I say? Spear fishing.
Spear fishing.
Dive a sea bottom and shoot fish.
Yeah.
Yes. See him so. Yeah, man. Right there so.
Yeah. So everybody know Ninja Ford as bad DJ from them time till now.
Yeah. Give thanks to life.
Yeah,
Give thanks to life.
When did you realize first that you have some music in your door?
All right. Tell you the truth. From me I go school.
Yeah.
You know, me love music. But when me really get serious now with music is when me hear Ninja Man. In the late 80s there. Me I say, no sir, me have to be a DJ.
Yeah.
You see me I say? When I start sing Ninja Man song them, and Ninja Man song them start practice with. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Till one night time, me sound exactly like Ninja Man.
So true.
Exactly like the man.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah man. Right there sir.
So early influence was Ninja Man.
Yeah. Other artists, music also influenced me. You know? But you see, Ninja Man was the main influence.
Yes.
Because the whole of the artists them from the 80s, you know, the whole of the DJ them from the 80s. You rate them.
Okay,
Yeah, man, them have
cool.
influence.
So you know took on Ninja Man songs,
Yes.
almost becoming a perfect replica of Ninja Man's voice.
Yes, true.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
how
man.
did that develop though? Into you growing musically?
By just get up every day and you know, I sing Ninja Man song till the whole community, you know, start rate me. But how me get the bus now up at St. Thomas? The things start out. That's whole heap of people start talk about me. Is one day with on the plantation, you know, me and one of my good friend, you know, named Carlton McFarlane. And Carlton McFarlane said to me, say, Glenn, hear what? He said, tomorrow, which is Sunday, a DJ contest down at Rocky Point Beach. Because Rocky Point Beach have a land where most of the big sound them used to come play, you know. So him say, make sure tomorrow you go down there, go DJ. You see me I say, because you always a walk and DJ in the bush. Because me is a man where me good at that.
Yes.
You're there way around so and you hear me a DJ. A DJ through the bush. You know, because DJing walk and DJ is like I company me.
Yeah.
Am I company that?
Yes.
You see me I say? So anyway, me take my friend advice, you know, and I go down at the beach, you know, and me enter in the DJ contest and mash it up. You see me I say? Mash it up. Quick and fast. The DJ them get mash up. Quick. Yeah, man.
You remember the songs? Any of the songs you sing down there?
Alright. I can, yeah, man. Remember one of the songs.
One of them,
I have a song, it go like this. Never see the DJ them look as how them look tonight. Seems like them sent them death, and what them a go dead before tomorrow broad daylight. Can't you see that me ragamuffin? And the gargan son a take life. No little dibby DJ couldn't look for take Glenford stripe. Hold the DJ and me drape him. Pick the DJ like a chicken. Hold the DJ like... See it there, right there, so. You see me I say? Right, you know the song Lady in Red?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where the melody there come from.
Okay.
You know, that's where it come from.
But you mentioned, in the song you mentioned, say, Ninja Little Son, from them time they call themselves.
Yes, I want to make you know before me know Ninja Man in person. You know?
Yeah?
Me I say Ninja Man are my father.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's when I time some people laugh off of me and I say, you don't even know Ninja Man or you talk about Ninja Man or your father. But to me rate the man,
yes.
You know, he come like a giant himself. I talk to me and I say, Ford, this you fi do, you know.
So you mash up the contest there?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And after mash up the contest, my brother, the thing get bigger. You see me I say? It spread from one community to the next community. But what I gonna give me, what I gonna make me end up at Kingston is a night, you know, down at the CM Rocky Point, creation with Papa San, Bunny General, and some other artists. I can't remember the other artists them with the dip on the dance, you know. But creation was playing in that CM land, and Bunny General give me the mic, you know. And when I hold the mic, I say, now hear this. Dog name them supper. Before even the cock step down off of the roots. If you put him first little toe up on the ground, if you pick up him few grain of corn them, if you fool him craw. Fence. Everywhere. Tear down.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Tear down higher. See? And after that now, the virgin when name Simple Simon. Simple Simon. Come to me, you know, or forward to me. You know, forward to me, yeah, come, you know. You don't really want to say the come,
yeah,
you know.
Forward,
yeah, him forward to me and him say, youth, you're bad, but you can't stay here, sir. It was a Saturday night. The man say, Monday, I'm forward for you. But me always hear say people are going to bring me a studio, you know. So, me have a open mind. If him forward, if him down forward. You see me I say? But, Monday now, me and my virgin them, Carlton, the same Carlton, you know, will tell me say, body the DJ contest, we mash it up. Him and a few other virgin, we run at the Kane side, you know, run at the Kane piece, we are all we vibe as youth. And me see a man forward on a bike, and the man say, Glenn, a virgin I look for you, you know. And the description now, when give way, I realize say, Simple Simon in town. You see me I say? And Simple Simon link me and say, Ford ready, you know? Kingston, you know? I mean, no hesitate. Because me know say this is my calling.
Yes.
This is the thing where I go change my life. So I no hesitate, brother. I just go pack my bag. You know? Pack one little traveling bag.
How old were you at the time?
Them time there, I can't remember exactly at the time.
Yeah, still youth.
Yeah, but me a youth.
Yeah.
So me say, watch your age. Yeah, watch your age.
Yeah, so you pack the bag.
Me a youth. So me say, pack the bag and head out to Kingston. Not even know where me I go. The first place Simple Simon, you know, took me is Aquarius. Them time Aquarius then at the center halfway tree.
Yeah.
And Simple Simon tell the people in the record shop say, bad artists. Them time, enough of the artists them used to come to Aquarius and or forward Aquarius and showcase them talent.
Yeah.
You know? So right as me reach Aquarius, Simple Simon make them give me the mic and me DJ 2 lyrics. And the man were in charge of Aquarius at the time, Earl, big up yourself. I have a label named Duke. Him said to me, say, 3 o'clock me have some studio time now at Scorpio, you know. One Vice, you know. Yeah, the same day, me drop in.
Yeah.
So I say, yeah man, same day, quick and fast. Same day me drop a Kingston, me record. Anyway, yeah man, it happened that's... We go down a Scorpio studio. When we go down a Scorpio studio now, Simple Simon, because Simple Simon in the business before me, so he know all of the artists, all of the producers. He introduced me to Johnny Osborne. And he said, yeah man, and he said, Johnny Osborne, you see that youth here? I want bad DJ. Johnny Osborne said, what him name? And Simple Simon said, him name Glenn Ford, but him sound like Ninja Man. And Johnny Osborne said, since him sound like Ninja Man, make Ninja Ford the perfect name. And from that day there,
I hate that.
Ninja Ford. Yeah, Ninja Ford. I run with Ninja Ford.
Courtesy of Johnny Osborne.
Yes,
Yeah.
Big up Johnny Osborne. Anyway, I'm there stand up.
Yeah. So you know, your record on a Scorpio.
Yeah, the same day.
What was the song you record on by Scorpio?
I think a song when him pass the coffin make me put in the dead. Them a big up them chest like them heavy like lead. Pass the coffin make me put in the dead. Something like that. Yeah.
How well did that was that song released?
I never after Vice in that song I never hear about that song again. So I don't know if it released or it's still up on Earl tape and I'm bed.
Yeah. But it never released. So
as me say, I don't know what him do with it.
Yeah.
Cause back in the days, you know, a lot of song release and you as the artist no know say it release.
But you never hear
but I never hear about that song again. So as me say, I don't know if him have it on tape same way and I'm bed or him release it.
Yes. So the first day at Kingston, you get your feet wet musically, so to
Yes
speak.
man, straight in a studio go record. First day at Kingston.
So what happened next in terms of the progression?
Alright, after that, me still advise some song. Still advise song. Till one night time now, me link up with Virgo man, my virgin when name Virgo man. You know? And Virgo man, me and Virgo man start link Dennis Star.
Yeah.
You have Dennis Star and Junior Star, wife and husband. Them did have a label. I don't quite remember what them label name. You know. But after link up with them now, shortly after Ninja Man forward to Jamaica. You see me I say? Sting 91.
91.
Yeah. Them put me on Sting because them they kind of do a little management
you reach
thing.
Sting already?
Yes, right away. Quick and fast. Everything does happen.
A flow.
Yeah, right away. You see me I say, cause you know.
So, and at 91 you come at town?
Yeah, 91 me forward at all.
A Sting, 91.
Not come. Yeah. Cause everything does happen fast.
Yeah.
You see me I say, when me just forward in the business, teach. Every day, me do dub plate. A day no pass. Because me hot. Me come in hot. See? Cause them time Ninja Man the foreign can come at Jamaica, you know. So them hear this little man we sound like Ninja Man, you know. He come like a Ninja Man himself, you know, brother. Every sound man, every producer. No, me nah DJ Ninja Man.
Ninja tune
No.
Okay.
Me have for me song them.
Have your song them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of them might have in the same melody when Ninja Man at the time, but me have my own song.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man,
cool,
me have
cool.
my own song.
So,
See
food
me
I
say?
make from day one?
Yes.
Get go?
Yes.
Eh.
Yeah, man, from get go. So, Sting now. Junior Star, they make the link with both Ninja Man to call me up, you know.
Oh.
Me did work in the early anyway, you know, but me never get that great vibe there from the people.
Okay.
You see me I say? Cause a big a ocean this. I don't know picnic stage show. This a big people stage show.
Yeah.
You know? So I'm fresh in the place. Fresh. So Ninja Man and Super Cat go clash in the late night, you know. So these are the man where inspire me. You see me I say so me say me have to stay there until the whole thing over. So me do the whole me vibe in the night there and Ninja Man beat up Super Cat lyrically.
Yeah.
So me I say and me hear Ninja Man say, people, me have a son here. Me no know him. When me there firing, me hear say him a defend me. You know? Because me tell you the truth, me did kind of prepare. Because me have an idea, say, he call me up. So, me fix up myself proper. Dress like a dress puss. You know? Felt and thing.
Yeah.
You know? Him call me on, you know? And you know Ninja Man a real show, man. So when me reach on stage, Ninja Man say, take off your hat, me picnic. Let me see if him have the birthmark. You know, and I go so boom. Fling off hat. And him say, yes, people, him have the birthmark. And him said to me, say, oh, your mother? And I say, Mama, good daddy. You know, you can hear a little trembling in my voice at the time still. Yes, nervous. I first me I see so much people in a brother.
Yeah.
And this great man when named Ninja Man call me up on stage. Knee a shake.
Yeah.
Voice a tremble. But I hold it out. Saying, I'm a chat. Them drop one rhythm and me chat one song. But 3 or 4 bars. You see me I say? And get one of the biggest forward, 4 corner forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. And leave the stage. The next day, every corner you go up on, brother. Every corner. From Kingston to name it.
Yeah.
You hear this thing cassette. Ninja Ford and Ninja Man. Ninja Man call up him son Ninja Ford. Everywhere you turn.
Yeah.
So me I say, from that, greatness.
Greatness from that.
Yeah, man.
Remember the song where you sing on stage, eh?
Yeah, man. Enough of them did never they want to see. Me and my father turned friend. Them did want to see. Ninja Man throw me in the lion den. Something another. But in the eyes of the people, enough of them they want me father fi dead. 4 corner forward after that. Them 3 line there.
Just say 3 line.
Yeah, man. 4 corner forward. In the eyes of the people, enough of them they want me father fi dead. Yeah, man.
It's
greatness.
So you know, the people them know the name.
Yes.
The voice, their road.
Yes.
What came next for...
Alright, after that, because me hot now, you know. Sting 91, me hot.
Yeah, hot now.
Hot. First thing we go on after that, England.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, with BSADC. Because June Star and Dennis Star at the time was a part of BSADC.
Okay.
So then we go up on a tour with General TK and an artist named Juna Ruff. So me I say, England. Go to England for maybe 1-2 months.
Yeah.
And then come and forward back to Jamaica. You see me I say, my voice a few songs in England at the time too. But after me forward back to Jamaica now, I start voice for people like Scorpio. So me I say, I do all the album for Scorpio one at a time too.
Released?
No. But a few single. I release some of the songs.
Okay.
You see me I say? Bobby Digital. John, which is Jamming son. Patrick Roberts.
Shocking vibes.
Yes. And Crocus Bag had a producer who made him to remember.
Yeah.
Remember.
When did that song though, that really the people them take on and it resonate to the massive scale?
Alright, here we go on now. My voice a song when they pick up the pieces rhythm for Bobby Digital. That is not really the first song.
Yes.
But I would say that the first song where we start.
So
Create
a wave.
Create a vibe. You know? A song when they pick up the pieces rhythm named Boss and Palav. I say boss, woman who know boss and Palav, who know what they wanna for the heart pam pam. And then after that, my voice a song on the top 10 rhythm. Better we no powder neither nurse. Me no petter, me no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them think about the earth. We no petter, we no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them think about the earth. Step aside. When you say ninja food arrive, step aside. Mind you get me on me wrong side. Step aside. DJ boy me a uno and no side. Step aside. That going go no. Lyrics still no Clyde. Step aside. Mind you end up like Bonnie and Clyde. Me no petter, me no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them think about the earth. Me no petter, me no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them them think about the earth. Yeah, no wake a lion when the lion asleep. When the lion wake up and stand up on him feet. Someone a go get hurt when him tell on they eat. Yeah, me did a sleep but now me wake up. See the skin a go peel and head skull a go. Me no pet me no powder. Me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them think about the teach him no pet and him no powder. Me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them think about the earth. Yeah, no for them a talk about ninja for done. Me no deaf, me no blind, me no cripple, me no dumb. Ask them a question, oh me fi done when me have bully pa lyrics in a my cranium. Coulda that them a fling. Send them come, banana road them a fling. Send them come, in case them never know I am a hard for. Too much lyrics, too much lyrics.
Without petter, without powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, take on the road.
Yeah, man.
But which one of those songs did better do? It or Boss? In terms of the mainstream part of the music.
Petter win a powder.
Oh, that one.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
But here what? Here the thing now. People hear Petter win a powder and think a Ninja Man do it.
Yeah.
Because just where there are some people that say, Ninja for the know me never know say you do that song there. You see me I say? But here, but after Petter win a powder now, here come the thing when him overboard.
Overboard.
For Jan, cause Jan
okay.
Jan see me run a Bobby Digital one day and say, youth, you're a bad DJ, come link me. Run a studio. See? When we go to run now, my DJ, because back in the days, we used to do this song them on dub plate, test them out on dub plate before we even put them from 45. So, me do jump overboard on the slim thing rhythm around here, you know? And him hear me and sing it. And him said to me, say, you see, tomorrow, I want you forward. I want you voice a song there for me, you know? So, I go home, you know? And me have a family. Him is also a DJ by the name of Balladier.
Say that again?
Balladier.
Balladier,
you know?
okay.
Me and Balladier sit down and we kind of run through the lyrics them and thing and complete it. You see me I say? And the next day I go back around Jan and shell it on the rhythm, you know? And that song up to today, that song is my signature song. Yeah. That song is the song.
Identify
yes.
Ninja
you know that make a big difference at the time. You see me I say? When people hear that now, them know say yeah, I'm a Ninja Man this. A Ninja Ford. You have one artist, one bad artist, when you have Ninja Ford in the business. You know? When them hear enough of them have to go jump overboard. Enough of them have to go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this Ninja Ford. Enough of them have to go jump overboard. This teach them and get lyrics download. One who run street and who run the broad road. Ask man from Tower Hill, man from All Road. Tell your Ninja Man and him son Ninja Ford. Long with predator who ugly like toad. Wicked and bad through them I wear pretty clothes. This is teach them with a new episode. Enough of them have to go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this Ninja Ford. Enough of them have to go jump overboard. Follow them friend and come this Ninja Ford. Ask a question, one know me hour. I'm not dirt, but short collar, man a dapper, no crapper. Remember that.
Overboard.
Yes, Papa.
Thing gone overboard, you know.
Yes, them have to jump overboard.
Yeah. What did
Straight
that song
overboard.
do for Ninja Ford?
As me say, that song there.
Give you your own identity.
Yeah, make them know so I'm bad DJ there about my name Ninja Ford. The thing get better.
Yeah.
You know, we start travel to more places now.
Where was the first place you went to after you get that break then? Other than the base of this tour?
Alright. New York.
Oh yeah. You alone or you went as part of a group?
Me, Virgo man, go to New York. The two of we travel together. Go to
How was
New
that
York.
experience like?
You know. Great.
Great.
You know. Big up Derek Parker. Derek Parker, the man where set up the whole thing. He man a man when he Clinton Lindsay. Can't forget about that man there. Rest in power, Clinton Lindsay.
Yes.
First time I got New York. You and Derek Parker make it possible. Yes, man.
So that was 92, 93?
93.
93.
Yes.
That was the year that you called on Predator and Sting.
Right.
So this time now, you were actually booked for Sting as Ninja Ford.
Book fasting.
Your own man, own
Yes,
artist.
yes.
What was that feeling like though?
Great.
Means you just come from St. Thomas 1.5 years.
Yes.
1.5 years ago.
Yes.
On the big
Blessings.
stage.
Yeah, man, blessings. Crocus bag of blessings, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So wasn't things happening too fast though for because you have someone, I know you come to someone at town where they're there a long time.
Yeah.
I just come and they do them just kick down so.
Yeah, so them thing that make a lot of artists not even to like me. You know.
But
Yeah,
that's
man.
unfortunate though because
Yeah, man.
talent is talent. You can't
Yeah,
go around
yeah.
talent.
But here alright. Here one of the main thing when me discover in a them time there. Most of the artists were when I good with Ninja Man.
Not good with
Them not good with me neither because true, me are the son.
Yes.
And at the same time, cause remember Ninja Man so over sting, you know, say this son always a defend me when me da firing. So here we go on now. Enough of the man them where him a Ninja Man. Them a Ninja Man no good. Me is a man we chat to lyrics about them same way, man.
So
Yeah, man.
you modeling Ninja Man work for you and it also worked against you in some respects.
Yes. You know.
But it worked more.
But
than
yeah, it work
against.
more. And true me is a positive minded individual. Me never go say it is a curse. It is all blessings.
Blessing.
Yeah, man, a blessings, man.
You know that many people out there, including myself, at some point along the way, thought that you were actually Ninja Man, son.
Yeah. Well, musically, I am Ninja Man son.
Yeah.
Biologically, I want different kind of something. I'm a foreman and my father.
Yeah, man.
Papa foreman.
Yes.
Yeah.
How the link with Predator come about though? You end up carrying Predator on Sting 93.
Alright. The first time I meet this man named Predator, he's down at Scorpio Studio. Me and Virgo man again went down to Scorpio Studio one of the day. We go do some recording and
Yeah.
you know, we see Predator. Them time Predator just get shot. You know, Predator they even did a walk proper. You know. And I don't know if for some reason me and him start reason, you know. Me and him start talk and from that day the connection make. You know, that's them time we used to mostly base out at Kilimanjaro studio,
Yes,
down Red
Red
Hills
Hills
Road.
Road.
Yes, man. So, because of that link up with me and Predator down at Scorpio, Predator start forward over the studio. And alright, that's how the link start. Me and Predator and CM Virgo, man, we start go all about, we
Yeah.
perform, you know. Predator, Virgo, man, we have a virgin named Zareb, you know, aka 1 Pint,
Yes.
and Juna Echo, aka Balladeer. The
Yeah.
whole of we used to go all about go DJ.
And them time they just say you act.
Yeah,
Just
man.
like how Ninja Man kind of put you to the people
Yes.
them 91, you put Predator to the people them 93.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Big man move.
Yeah, man. Greatness. And at the time, me never know what me I do. You know, but it a come from, you know, a clean place.
Art.
We just know, say, yeah, from a friend round, we help a friend them.
Yes.
You see me I
And
say?
what you even do to in a overboard is bring Predator to the road because what they say, Predator ugly like toad.
Yeah, alright, listen this. I can remember enough time Predator forward over there, you know, and Predator said, the overboard song me use and go in some place, you know. From I go there, you know, me just say to the gate man, you know, the stage show say, I'm in Ninja Ford sing about, you know.
Yeah.
And them let him in. You know. So ugly like toad, the line there.
Yeah.
Boss Predator.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
So you are Jaro with Predator and some other people.
Yeah.
Ricky Chupa was around at that time.
Yeah, man, a Ricky Chopper are the man we run there. Ricky Chopper are the big selector on Kilimanjaro at that
At
time.
the time.
You see me I say? Yeah, man.
So Chupa would have also played a role in the growth of
Ninja
Ford's
Ford.
career.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks.
Chopper. Alright. Me have a dub plate song. It is also on 45, you know, but we are talking about the dub plate.
Yes.
A song when I'm early out. Early out, early Sunday morning. Kill sound boy, left it drunk crop feeding. Early out, early Sunday morning. Trooper Buster song there.
Yes.
You see me I say? Me have another one when I'm War and Dead. Sound boy come a war and dead. The play chop off them head. Trooper Buster, I can remember. Trooper played that song the one time against Sky Juice. You know, kill Sky Juice down at Clarkstown.
Sky Juice was that one?
Yeah, that's yeah man. That's Sky Juice for years. Sky Juice it kind of hate me. I just ready him forgive me. You know because Trooper going him.
You play tune, brother.
Trooper going him hometown. But here one now. Me call him name in the song.
Yeah.
Sky Juice come a war and dead. You know, in him hometown.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm vexed about it. And for years, as me said, the man he hate me.
Yeah.
Till just where there. Him forgive me. Me and him great.
Yeah, man. Awesome.
Yeah, man.
After Overboard, which was the next big song for Ninja Force?
Alright. A song when named Big Life.
Big Life.
Produced by Virgo Man again.
Yeah.
Pure and Clean label. On the Night Rider rhythm. Other song they make me know Trinidad. First time I got Trinidad, other song they bring me a Trinidad, my boss. My dad Jamaica, yeah. And Scatter. Not Scatter Burrell.
Okay.
Scatter from Rough Cut.
Okay.
You know? Forward one of the day and I said to me and Virgo Man say, Ninja Ford, you have one song where I mash down the whole of the island, you know. Especially Trinidad. Huge over Trinidad. I feel good within myself and I know say, you are going. One idea me I get a fly. Till one of the day me there. Harry Toddler first tell me about it. Say, Sharon Burke have a show for you, you know. You know. And one of the day, you know, with a jar, the Sharon Burke, shout me. I said, Ninja Ford, give me a link. I'm a link Sharon Burke, you know. Sharon Burke, give me my down payment, you know. Trinidad. When I got Trinidad, I can't remember. Scare Them was on the show. Vegas, Sean Paul, Tanya Steven, big show. Them time Sean Paul, I early part of Sean Paul career. You see me I say. Yeah man, but a big show. Play a sell off. Whole heap of crowd. Come out. If you see the artist.
You say the song name again?
Big Life. Big Life. Drinking champagne and live life. Sporting in the limo and the Rolls Royce. We no fi fuss nor fight. No fight, no fight, no fight. Big life. Drinking champagne and live life. Sporting in the limo and the Rolls Royce. We no fi fuss nor fight. No fight, no fight, no fight. Me and my friends are chilling at the studio. Same time me hear me tune pan the radio. Me get a phone call from San Diego. Mamiko call me and tell me about a stage show. Say she love gangsters cause she know we are no crow. And we make a vow, we now go, bad man flex from we little and a grow. Yes, that's how he go. Get a rush if we flow. Big life, drinking champagne and live life. Sporting in the limo and the Rolls Royce. We no fi fuss nor fight. No fight, no fight, no fight. Mount a girl me have it cannot count on my finger. No for than the days them go down in a December. Jackie and Joyce and the one named Clover. Say Ninja Ford and them chauffeur. We a drive the Benz and the Jeep and the coaster. And the limousine and the new brand Rover. Girl let me cry for. Them me da die for. Yeah. Tell the world me no poser. The one your name Big Life. Drinking champagne and live life. Too much champagne and now we no want junk.
Man, Big Life came and Ninja Ford start living some more big life.
Right, proper.
Trinidad was a good experience.
Yeah, Trinidad was a great experience.
You forward in back.
Yeah.
When I listen to the melody I live life and me there so listen to your voice.
Yeah.
Now early on you were really and truly sounding like the God.
Yes, true.
Did you make a conscious decision to change your sound or it's just as you grew?
Conscious
voice became more mature.
Conscious decision. Yeah, conscious decision.
Why you made that move?
Yeah, because more have my own identity.
Yes.
You see me I say? Because as me show you in some of the earlier days song them, people don't know the difference between Ninja Man and Ninja Ford.
Yeah.
You see me I say? It's the same thing with the song name Pet on a Powder Night and Nurse.
Yes.
Because from people here, now hear this.
So like a
Ninja Man something that.
True.
You see me I say? Because even me myself, hear song I play more time and me can tell the difference if a Ninja Man or a me.
Yeah?
Yes. Me hear the now hear this. I mean I say who that a Ninja Man or a Ford.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So me have to try change from that thing.
You remember when you actually made a conscious decision to make that change?
Somewhere in the 90s.
In the 90s.
You see me I say? Yeah man, and after a while, because I learned say melody have a lot to do. If I continue DJing at the same melody them with Ninja Man a DJ, you know. I go sound like him.
Yes.
Because the voice, there is some similarity
the
when you come
voice,
on to
yeah.
Ninja Man voice and my voice. You see me I say, so if I continue DJing at the same melody the way him a DJ, you know, I go continue sound like him.
Which was the first real big song you get after you made that change?
A big
Vocally,
life, you know, because
Big
big life
Life,
sound
yes,
different.
yeah, different.
All of the other song them Ninja Man sound.
Yes.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
As we are here speaking about Ninja Man would have influenced your journey significantly.
Yeah, man, big time.
Yeah. He now is incarcerated. Have you spoken to him any at all since?
Yeah, man, me and him talk a few times, you know.
A few times. How is he?
Yeah, man, him in a great spirit, man.
A great spirit.
Yeah, man, great spirit. The last time I talked to him, great spirit, man. Yeah, man.
Rough situation, but
Yeah. I one of them
you
things.
have to move, innit?
You see me I say, I one of them things. And life, as long as there's life, there's hope.
Yes, oh.
So as long as him have life, yeah, man, we see him back a road, man. As long as there's life, I mean, no say, I want strong individual. He's not going to hang himself with rope. So as long as life, there's what? Hope. Yeah, man.
So the great Desmond Valentine played a crucial, significant role in the musical journey of Ninja Ford.
Yes, man. I'm send me a road.
Yes.
Give me the stamp of approval. Over stadium.
Yeah. Oh, Sting was at
Sting.
stadium at the time.
Yeah, man. Big Sting.
91.
And a prekka Sting them time. And a joking thing.
Yeah.
You know. Big Sting. Stadium. Yeah, man.
You said that you made mention that some of the entertainers who had, you know, lyrical fuse with Ninja Man looked at you in a way where you never, you understand?
Yeah.
And you're on them still.
Yeah.
So you're any of them artists that never get in a lyrical feud. You know, you say with DJ feud lyrics.
I can remember one time. I not gonna really call no name, but I can remember one time. I don't know if you remember this place where named Jaguar Lounge. You know, right in front of Stone Love. It was the place one night time.
Yeah.
It was the place where everybody link up. You see me I say. So one of the night, one of the DJ them bring me down, you know, call me down, you know, round there, you know, for me talk. And his introduction was, come in little ninja. Yeah, spit fire. You know, and I say no. I try iron and eat pepper. You see me I say something like that. And get a bigger forward than him. Cause you know music thing going on when you're fresh, when you're new, you get a bigger forward than the artist at the time, you know. And you never like it. You know. So I kind of go on away, you know. But me know as a humble youth, me no follow up that. So I say me just load right there, so. Cause me no depend on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But you're nobody never really have any lyrical feud them advice song and you answer song and on stage, any
no, because
lyrical confrontation.
No, because I want make you know. Maybe at the time them think me no worthy enough, you know, being a lyrical confrontation.
And that's so much war song you have.
You see me I say. But no DJ never really try nothing.
Yeah.
You know.
But you'll be prepared.
Yeah, man, we always prepare, man. You see me I say, we always prepare, cause, you know, Ninja Man and my father, you know.
Yeah.
You know, Ninja Man a kill DJ. You see me I say, yeah, man, he build DJ too.
Yes.
You see me I say, but in a lyrical confrontation, you know, we not go build DJ, we kill DJ.
Yes.
Yeah, man, right, that's all.
Some of the most popular songs in the Sound Clash arena, some of the biggest songs are songs done by Ninja Ford.
Alright, you have Kill Sound a bad man pleasure. Kill Sound boy and a matter. So all who believe in sound killing, wave your hand like a car wiper. Sound boy come a war and dead. Do play chop off them head. Early, sound clash morning. We kill sound boy, left it drunk crow feeding. Early, sound clash morning. We no pet and we no powder, me say neither nurse. Nuff of them a fi go jump overboard. Them sang the bud. when them sang they play a sound class, sound boy, dog name on a supper.
Yeah, a song like Reverse.
Yeah. But the main song them a Kill Sound, a Bad Man Pleasure,
Yeah.
War and Dead, Jump Overboard.
Gun Back Out.
Yes. You see me I say? Them song when them song they drop in a sound clash, man, as what me I tell you. Dog Nyam select a supper.
Yeah.
Nyam have everything.
You have a song on the Joyride with him?
Yes, I it a Bad Man Pleasure.
Bad Man Pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kinda ranch still.
Yes.
And clean it up and give a piece.
Sudden. Bad Man Pleasure. All who have them Cinderella. Wave your hand like a car wiper and sing. We have enough gal a Bad Man Pleasure. Bad man, see it there? Rare. Edit. All who have them Cinderella. Wave your hand like a car wiper and sing. Whole heap of thing.
Yes.
Girl them song.
Yes.
See it there? See it there.
In the early days, you were a ballad.
Yes.
Yeah, now we see the year lock up. Is it Rastafarian, is it or is just a fashion thing?
You know, really and truly, I see myself as a Rasta.
Yeah.
Even if tomorrow morning you see me and it's a different image,
Yes.
you know, I still see myself as a Rasta.
And the lifestyle you live.
Yeah, man, cause me like Rasta way of life.
Yes.
No like, love. I love Rasta way of life. You know. Because I want to make you know a long time some people I tell me say, you're a Rasta youth, you know, because of my humbleness and my consciousness when it come on to certain things.
Yes.
You see me, I say, them always tell me say Rasta. So growing the year is just an additional thing to it. You see me, I say.
You have
Yeah,
big names from St. Thomas.
Yes.
Bushman,
Yes.
Natty King,
Yes.
Ninja Ford.
Yes.
Have you-
Terror Fabulous.
Terror Fabulous.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Yes. Simple Simon.
Simple Simon.
Colonel Lady.
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you ever worked with any of the St. Thomas artists on a collaborative level?
Simple Simon alone.
Simple Simon alone.
Yes.
So how come whenever you hear the big bad dancehall voice, Ninja Ford with a soulful voice like a Bushman or a Natty King?
It's still possible,
Still
you know.
possible.
You know, it's still possible.
But yeah, the whole of the man them good though.
Yeah, man. Me good with everyone.
Everybody.
Me and Bushman good. Me and Natty King good.
Yeah.
You know, when Bushman see me, you know, I pure love. You see me, I say, when Natty King see me, also I see him thing.
Heart
Any
of
one
love
of the
said
artists them from St. Thomas. You see me, I say, away from Popcorn. Me never meet Popcorn.
Yeah?
No, me never meet him.
Eh.
Me never meet him, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Me I pray that I got one of them time, man.
Yeah, it will happen. All things are possible.
Yes.
You see me, I say,
Yes.
yeah, man. All things are possible, my boss.
Ford, as I said earlier, enough artists, they are studio for years.
Yes.
Cross the road,
Yes.
come through one gate,
Yes.
out in a yard, all about.
Up on the house top.
You
Round the-
were in St. Thomas cutting cane, and it's almost overnight, in the context of things, you really and truly got your break. Was it down to just luck, or it's a mixture of luck and talent, or just talent?
Well, you can say luck and talent.
Luck and talent.
Cause luck, you know, luck is a part of everything that take place, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, luck. You know, because here we're going now. If you're lucky enough, you will meet the right
Right people,
person
yeah.
at the right time. And you will say the right thing at the right time.
Yes.
And because of meeting the right people at the right time, you know, things work out
And
great for you.
You still have the talent to represent yourself and have to represent yourself, said you.
Yeah, man, we talent not gone away.
Give thanks.
We talent not gone away, man.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
You have toured many places, yeah?
Yes, I.
Where is your favorite place to perform?
My favorite place to perform, you know, is same place in Jamaica, here, you know.
Why this? Why? There's some man afraid of yard, you know?
No, our people them this, you know.
Yeah.
So I say, so we can't afraid of our people them. Yeah, man. My favorite place is to perform, man. I'm a yard. And
Yeah.
the people them this, man. Because here we go on with Jamaica people them. The world know Jamaica people them no kin teeth.
Yes.
Them no play.
You have to prove yourself.
So if you don't do well,
I'm
I'm going to tell you. So you don't do well. So
Yeah.
you what? When Jamaican people give you the stamp of approval, say you're bad. You're bad. See it there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sealer.
Yeah, me bad for you, cause hear me say one thing, they all buckler mash.
Sealer.
Yeah, man. Bad.
Yeah?
Yes,
Where's the biggest crowd they ever performed for?
Alright, the biggest crowd, you know, Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah, one time I got Kenya.
Yeah? Bigger than Sting 91 crowd, Sting 93
No,
crowd?
man, about, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
No, man.
What was the Kenyan experience like though?
Great, you know, after hearing about Africa, you know, I find myself in Africa. I perform for my African brother and sister them. Great experience, man. So then I say, yeah, man.
Is there any way you not go work yet where you hope to go work one of them time?
Well, yeah, man. Crocus bag a place left out there where we not go.
Namely,
So then I say,
any place in
we
particular?
not go to China yet.
You not go China yet?
We not go Russia.
Yeah.
Whole heap of place to them.
Been to Japan?
Yeah, I been to Japan.
Okay.
Whole heap of place left in a same place in Europe there. Cause I go to Europe, yes, but majority of the place in Europe, I not go there now. Yes, I'm hope to go there.
In the 90s, Ford, you were one of the leading lights in the dancehall space.
Okay.
But in the early mid 2000, your visibility kind of decreased.
Yes.
Why? What is the reason for that? What would have led to that?
Well, maybe me not voice enough song like how me used to voice back in the days.
So you not do that?
You know, some of the time, you know, because of how the business run more time, you kind of have a little discouraged, you know, vibe a go on more time. So me I say, but anyway, in the 2000, my voice a whole heap of song. You see me I say, cause in the 2000, me have the song when name Some Days When I Feel Like
Some
the Pressure
days,
Is On.
yeah.
Some days when I feel like the pressure is on, I keep on praying, hoping someday I'll make it. Yes, I'm gonna smile again. Oh yeah, some days when I feel like the pressure is on, I keep on praying, hoping someday I'll make it. Yes, I'm gonna smile again. Hey, living in this world, it's not easy at all. Sometimes there is no one to answer your call. Cause everyone I feel it, and them have them own crisis to deal with. The rich man say I feel the pressure, and the poor man I ask, will things get better? Yo, a pure frustration, even the youth with education can't get no job. Juvenile, I feel the tension. As time goes by and I'm getting older, I'm feeling like the world is on my shoulder. Still I've got to do what I have to do. I have myself and my family to make it through. Deal is steep, but me have to get over. Too long me die, I sit down and suffer. Tired of the life in the gutter. So right now my food me a go for again. Some days when I feel like the pressure is on, I keep on praying, hoping someday I'll make it. Yes, I'm gonna smile again. Whoa, yeah. Smile and smile and smile again, yeah.
Big tune.
Yes, man.
Songs also like Guanta.
Alright, see it there? Always keep my head up high. No matter what the things them say, words from them lips just a tell pure lies. I wonder what the hell them a try. Them want see me feel and I suffer every day, yo. Them ways too dirty, them figure. Them heart full of envy, yeah. But me still a show them love every day. Just make them go and talk, me nah make none of them stray my mates. Enough of them a work witchcraft and a pray. If you see me drop dead, just make them go and talk. Me nah make none of them stray my mates. And of them a put food on my table and all them a talk them lifestyle no stable. First of all, them say me nah go make it. And every little thing me try them underrate it. But me never give up, me put me trust in the Father. Feel willpower much stronger. Many times me fall, but me get up back again and me a look for help, but me no see none of my friends, yeah. All them have is pure negative thought. Once me fall, yeah. Make them go and talk, oh yeah.
Make them go and talk, brother.
Yes, I am.
Mad.
Yes, make them go and talk.
Which, you said that your signature song is
Enough of them have got
Overboard,
yes,
Overboard, right?
Yeah.
But is that your favorite song? Of all the songs that you have recorded, which one of the songs you say is that the one that resonate with you the most?
Alright. Me love all of my songs them.
One of them different.
Me love all of my songs them. I not tell you like, I'm a youth them, you know. My song them coming like me youth them. You see me? I love all of my youth them. But performing the song when name Some Days.
Some days.
Yeah, when I perform that song there, give me a different kind of vibe. You see me I say? Enough of them have to go jump overboard. Because anytime I step out anywhere, I say, I Ninja Ford have the microphone now. And there is nothing those little cornflakes bad boys can do about it, or those little Mickey Mouse gangsters. Tell them if you go easy. Enough of them have to go jump overboard. Overboard. I feel like, you know,
yeah,
me there one different place in the world. You see me I say, me I sing with authority, brother. When me say enough of them have to go jump overboard. Serious thing.
Is there a song that Ninja Ford has recorded where not think get the justice where it deserves?
Alright, you see, pressure is on. Up to today, you know, me still a wonder. You know, wish me should have wonder, me should have leave, me say wonder for your wonder. You see me I say? But up to today, me can't overstand other song than a bigger. Because when me go to boom and sing, you know, not overboard, pressure is on. You know, the vibe when me start get from the people them. Because all these years, with the other song them, the overboard and the this and the that, people always say, you're a bad DJ Ford. But when me go to boom and say pressure is on, you see me I say, I want different kind of energy the people them give me now. You see me I say, because I can remember one of the time I have a brethren, a GP, and the man called me up on the phone, and the man said, Ford, you see that song that when he and pressure is on, I go make them release me from prison. And shortly after that, I don't know the mystical part of it, why him tell me that, you know. But him say, it go make them release him. Shortly after that, them release him. You see me I say, so that song one different kind of song. That song they make the people them give me a different energy. This is something where them never expect.
Yes.
You see me I say, because after doing that song, a singer some people are call me. Big up Mr. Diamond Gill, Warrior Music on that one day. Film production.
That is many of the previous songs, Ford, are more aggressive.
Yes.
You understand? Lyrically potent songs in terms of the war type of part of the dancehall. That song was a change of the type of music that people would associate Ninja Ford with. So could it be because in Jamaica, generally good, positive, uplifted music don't really reach the masses as fast as it should?
Maybe.
Maybe.
You see me I say? Maybe, you know, because the people are more into the negative type of vibe, more than positive vibe. You see me I say?
So that are the song where you feel like getting justice?
Yeah, it go on, you know, my brother, but as me say, the way the people them gravitate to that song, you know, I think that song would have bigger. Them sleep on the song.
Yes.
A lot of people sleep on it.
Because
I can remember me bring it to a disc jockey one at the time, and the disc jockey said, Ford, you see that song here? You boss again, you know. So me I say, but that disc jockey play it only one time. One single time. And you know, one time can't boss song.
Yeah.
You see me I say, but it's all good. You see me I say, the song, as me hear Bounty Killer say one thing one time. Bounty Killer say, the most important thing sometimes is not the chart. You see me I say, it's the people them heart. So when the song resonates in the people them heart, it going to be a song forever.
Ever and ever, man.
Ever and
Live
ever.
on.
Live on.
True.
So some days I want my song will live on. Anywhere me go, sing, you know, and
Powerful
sing.
song,
Yes,
man.
and sing that song there. People crazy over it. Same way.
Yes.
After I do so many years.
Yes.
You see me I say, yeah man.
Which one of your songs has done the most for you financially?
Between, you know, Jump Overboard and the Badman Pleasure.
Badman Pleasure.
You know, if you're talking about dubplate, because most of my earning come from dubplate.
Dubplate, yeah.
See me I say. So if you're talking about dubplate, it would be the Overboard, the Early Out, War and Dead, and Kill Sound of Badman Pleasure.
And we're talking about good earning, we can sustain the family and afford.
Yeah, we can live, you know.
That's important.
Yeah, we can live.
It's important.
So
We give
may I
thanks
say,
to that.
it is not 100%. It is not where I really want it to be.
Yes.
You see me I say, but man I live.
Yes. That's
You see me I say,
important.
yeah, man I live. Give thanks to life. Yeah, man I live.
You are oftentimes referred to not only as Ninja Ford but Surfboard.
Yes.
Was that a deliberate move on your part, or people that start refer to you as Surfboard?
All right. You see that name Surfboard is me and Diamond Gill from Warrior Music create that name. Because after we say we want we want both a new identity and a new sound. Because it's me and Diamond Gill come together. He's a major part of it.
Yes.
You know, for helping create the new sound. The Surfboard sound is the sound that you hear in some days, that you hear in Go and Talk.
Yes.
You know, and I have a song named Oh Lord too, where's a big song out there.
Yes.
You see me, I say that song is on the same rhythm where Fantan Moja have the song Rasta Got Soul.
Rasta Got Soul, yeah.
Reggae music rocking my bone. Same rhythm and Lucian and Tony B. Turbulence.
The song name?
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
Yes, man. The wicked them crawl out in a broad daylight with them gun in a them and take another one life. Mama ball out. Say no, this no right. She never experienced such a brutal sight. Them go all out, machine tall out. Is another innocent them shoot, yeah. In this world, can you tell me what is happening? Somebody gotta do something. Oh Lord, and a little preach man preach and beg them keep the peace. Oh Lord, it seems like life have no values, mark full up of disease. Oh Lord, criminals on a wrong page, wondering if it's the end of days. Oh Lord. Some whole heap of sitting here, man.
Yeah.
Whole heap of sitting. You see me, I say?
So,
murderers, how do you feel? Taking someone's life and then begging for mercy. And you never think twice. Don't you have a conscience? Look into yourself for a minute. Where is the love, the love, the love, the love in your heart? You do the bad things and a brag, but you can't hide from God. So many people you left sad. Oh Lord, and a little preach man preach and beg them keep the peace. Oh Lord, it seems like life have no values, mark full up of disease. Oh Lord, criminals on a rampage, wondering if we in the end of days. Oh Lord, are these the things that Papa used to talk about? The whole city turn red, blood running in the streets, and you have to keep your eyes open. Them head act like a furnace. Make sure you learn this. They do what they like and there's no justice. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day, when the wicked them passed away, and everyone living in unity. Harmony of beauty. Oh my Lord, I want to hear my cry, not only me, but protect us on the journey. Oh my Lord, a lot of us need your helping and to understand yourself. Oh my Lord, I would love to see a better world when all crime and violence cease. Whoa, yo, 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 yo. Oh Lord.
Ford,
Yes,
I realize that most of the recent songs, you're the more singing than DJ.
Yeah,
The
because
vibration is a next deliberate move that.
growth, you know. When I call it growth. Because here we go on, you're in the business for so long. You can't make the people in my ear the same way every day, you know, brother. Changes.
Evolution.
Yeah, man. Changes. So I say.
What would you say is the single greatest achievement as an entertainer so far along the journey?
Alright, I'm going to tell you this. You know, my greatest achievement is that my life changed. Because once upon a time, I was just Glenn, but now I'm a Surfboard, aka Ninja Ford.
Yeah.
See me I say? Yeah, man. I never get a Grammy or a C citizen, you know, or a piece of bammy.
Yeah.
You see me I say? But, you know, give thanks to life. You see me I say? And the next thing happened in my life where is a great achievement. Once upon a time, my father, who I love, you know, after Gilbert, you know, my father ended up almost homeless. You see me I say? And this music helped me in such a way that I could have go back, you know, to same place as St. Thomas. And straighten out things to my father. So, in my book, a great achievement, them thing there. You see me I say, my brother? Great achievement.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Is there anything musically where you achieve it, Ford, where you still hope to achieve?
Yeah. You know, all of the artists, them, no matter what them get, if you ask them if them not like to achieve some more things, I'm going to tell you yes. All the man will get 10, 20 Grammy already.
True.
Him still tell us, I'm not like to act a movie and get an Oscar.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man. So whole heap of thing out there when I want to achieve. You see me I say? Same way. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Looking at the journey, Ninja, if you were given the opportunity to redo the whole musical journey, is there anything that you then do differently?
Yeah, maybe one and two things we don't do different, you know. You see what I say?
You're not put a name on them.
No, because and this question is a kind of tricky question again too, because no matter how you live your life, because may I show you something. If me get another chance to live my life all over again, you know, at the end of the day, them ask me, if you get a chance again to live your life, how you don't live it? Me still I go tell them say me don't live it different. You see me I say, so I saw it go.
Are there any regrets though in the musical journey of Ninja Food? Anything about your regrets or something?
You know, sir, that regret thing, I not really deal with it.
You're not deal with it?
Yeah, I not deal with it. No matter what in my life, I try. Yes, I have it as a life lesson. I try not to deal with regret. Because all me see regret is like you know, put your life on pause and sit down and worry about what never go on, what never happen. While me think if you just continue with your life.
Yes.
You see me I say, just have it as a learning process. You see me I say, this is part of the learning process, brother. You see me I say, because everyone at some point in their life, they have to face some form of tribulation.
Yes.
You see me I say, or carry them cross. Yeah.
You mentioned that after dropping out of school basically, you were on the cane plantation, you did some fishing as well.
Yes.
But then music came.
Yes.
If it wasn't music all these years, Food, is there any other thing where you see out there where they love to take on other than music?
Alright, tell you the truth. If it wasn't music, the second thing where I venture, you know, buy some boat and go see, go
fishing
continue, catch some fish. Me love that.
You love it?
Yeah, that's something what I love. You see, if you put on the fishing gears, them, you know, and dive under the water there and see the fish, them. You see me, I say, and
dangerous life, though.
Shoot them. You see me, I say, with fish gun. It's a thing when I full joy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I love that. You see me, I say, the lobster and the whole of them. You see me, I say, the Irish marsh. Because me, at one point in my life, me used to dive all Irish marsh, sea marsh, and them things that, you know. We know about them things, man. You see me, I say. At one time, I dive in Dapper, them call me, you know. You have a bird where name Dapper or something like that. You know, I don't know if it's the right name or it's a nickname.
Yeah.
I know we always give the things them some different kind of name. I dive in Dapper, them call, man. Because dive in Dapper, one bird where and dive down far underwater, you know. Yeah, man, so my bad like that back in the days when they come on to diving and swimming.
I know that Ninja Man would have played an integral role in your musical development, but is Ninja your favorite DJ or you have a next DJ or your favorite DJ?
Alright, here we go. I rate every DJ.
Yeah.
But Ninja Man, favorite. Yeah, man, Papa is my favorite, man. Dan Gargan is my favorite.
What's your favorite Ninja Man song?
Alright, you know, so tell you the truth, majority of Ninja Man song them. Majority of Ninja Man song them, I love them. I have to just name some song
where one you singing most, Ford, man?
Tell you the truth, I'm not conscious about the one when I sing the most. Because, alright, Ninja Man song when you alright, maybe the one when I was a little stereo, I listen to some champion. I always wonder when I will be the number one. But now no listen to the Gargan, cause the Gargan sound a rain. And any jump and try test me I go kick out them. So sound boy, you should really die for your reach a session, cause the Gargan son in ya. And the next one him say, there's nothing you can do to make me run away from this clash, yeah. This clash, yeah. There is no DJ if you look to put a competition to the ninja. To the ninja, well I'ma tell you from the start, if you no break for me heart, I kick you down a ground cause I'm the real poison dart. Nothing you can do or say to offend the ninja. So right now teach them we are gonna murder them. In a competition we are gonna murder them. Me tell you no murder them. Favorite.
You still so like DJ the radar.
Yes. You see me I say?
Yeah.
We're versatile in such a way that's, you know, if more, I can sound like Ninja Man.
Yeah, but you've been at
same way.
Still.
You see me I say, same way.
Yeah.
You see me I say,
Ninja Man
I can sound like him whenever time I want.
Yeah, Ninja Man have collaboration.
Yes. We have couple.
Which one of them did the best out of the lot?
Alright,
I became the most popular.
Alright, tell you the truth, none of this collaboration with me and Ninja Man do, them not popular around this side.
Yes.
You see me I say, but people know them are foreign. You see me I say, we have, yeah man, people know them are foreign.
We do a music set up, man.
Yeah, but them not popular this side because a lot of people they even know me and Ninja Man have over 5 or 6 collaboration.
Which one are your favorite of the lot?
Alright, you have, me and him do a song named Baby a Road for John. You see me I say, I like that one there. You see me I say, we have another one named Father and Son.
Father and Son.
You see me I say, I like that one there too.
Yes.
You see me I say, yeah man.
How many other artists have you collab with down the years though?
Alright. The first artist never collaborate with is an artist named Powerman. Yeah, big up yourself Powerman. Powerman collaborate with me at the time when Powerman have a bigger name.
Yes.
On me. You see me I say, he collaborate with me. Alright, away from Powerman now, me and Was do song, you know. Me have a song with Capleton, me have a song with Luciana, me have a song with Devano, you know. G-Wiz, an artist from Europe named Calipi, you know.
So you've been working with some entertainers?
Yeah man, me have all a song where me collaborate one time with Cocotito. John Jollards produce this song. But them song then release on them side there. You see me I say, away from that, me record a song for Sly and Robbie one time with Toots' daughter when named Liba. Yeah, collaboration.
Is there anybody who you work with musically at a collaborative level with them? You don't mind, you're probably not going to seek it out, but if it happens, you don't mind going to the studio, go do some work with.
Alright, Bounty Killer. Yeah. I like do a collaboration with Bounty Killer.
Any particular reason?
And I rate Bounty Killer. Rate him. I one of the artists, you know, I rate. You see me I say, likewise Beanie.
Yeah.
And I like do a collaboration with Beanie too. You see me I say, you have a whole heap other artists, you know. Beanie and Bounty as DJ.
Yes.
You see me I say, Mad Cabra too, you know. I rate Mad Cabra too. Yes. Spragga Benz. Sizzler.
Kalanje.
Too, yeah.
Yeah.
You know. Even all the great Barry Salmon.
Yeah.
You see me I say, as a singer now, you know. You know, like, you got them
all of them need what you call. It would be nice for them collaboration, they come forth.
Yes.
But Ninja Phone is still young youth, man, so anything not possible.
Yeah, me just in my teen, you know.
Just in the teen.
See there? Yeah man, all things are possible, man. Because I want to make you know, alright. You know how much years I want to sing a song with Luciana.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And the song just happen so easy. You see me I say?
What's the title of the song with the messenger?
Coming from far.
Coming from far.
That song on YouTube, you know, but I don't think it released officially as yet.
Okay.
You see me I say?
Coming from far.
Yeah man.
You look at that one.
Yeah man. And even the collaboration with Capleton, it started out so easy because from I go link Capleton, because Capleton knows me is a man who rate him. You see me I say? I rate Capleton. Yes. Capleton is one of my DJ. Same way. You see me I say? So when I go link him, a simple thing man.
Yeah.
You know, because alright, originally Diamond Gill, because I do a lot of work with Diamond Gill, you know. A lot of musical work, you know. Diamond Gill link up with an artist from Africa one time, you know, and we were supposed to do a collaboration. But when Diamond Gill make the rhythm and send back the idea to the artist, I don't know what happened, but I'm not bother with it. So at the time I was, you know, coming from St. Thomas, from my brother funeral, you know, and one man said, 40 years ago, you see that rhythm, yeah? You and Capleton must do a collaboration on it. So, me put me and Diamond Gill, you know, fix up our part, you know, and me bring it to Capleton and I shot it quick and fast.
Mad thing.
Luciana one now, how it go again? Me and Luciana are good bridge. Luciano is a man who me rate and he rate me. So when me tell him say, we want to do a collaboration, we never have no problem.
Yes.
So me I say, Diamond Gill just make the rhythm and we tell Luciano about the idea and Luciano say, simple thing for it.
Yeah.
Yeah man, because me and him good like that.
Ford, there's a man who pay dues musically down the years.
Yes, I.
You have a lot of young artists in the business now. Is there any of the young couple artists where you like them work different from anybody else? Something about them and their music where you really appreciate?
Alright, let me see now. Alright. As I said earlier on, artists, when it come on to artists, you know, we rate
everybody.
You see me I say, we rate all of them. All of the young youth them, we do them thing, you know. Me like what them I do. Because them could have choose something else.
Yes.
You see me I say. So if you check it out, I don't really like none more than none.
Yes.
You see me I say, because a matter of fact, me just hear them music. Me don't know them in person. Because here we go on. Hear someone music and know someone in person.
Two different. So
yeah, it creates a different kind of band.
Yes.
You see me I say. So me rate them and love them through the music. Mm-hmm. You see me I say, all of them.
You see anything in the music from these younger entertainers that you know, you think if them do it a different way, them probably improve them thing. Any advice to the younger artists?
Well, maybe, alright. You see, performance on stage, you see me I say, a lot of them don't have it lack as yet. But one thing, if me get the chance, you know, to see them in person and talk to them, you know, or if after we put this thing here together, them and watch it, you know, work on a craft.
Yes.
You see me I say, work on a craft. And majority of them young, because me full of confident now. I know me will jump on a rhythm right now and jump off and jump on back. You know, back in the days when me just forward in the business, me never master the craft.
Yes.
That kind of weirdness me could have me that skill. You see me I say?
Practice.
Yeah, practice. So we have to just give them a chance, allow them.
And give them some time.
Give them some time.
Them
young,
along the way.
so them will work on it.
Yes.
Yeah man, them will get better. You see me I say? Me not go beat them like some other people where I beat them.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Me not beat the youth them because them could have choose something else, you know.
Sure.
Them could have kill people, you know.
Sure.
Instead of shoot video. Them could have shoot people, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so me not beat the youth them. Once upon a time I was a youth. I mean, I didn't want the elder them beat me at the time.
Yes.
So me if you come a beat youth, you know. And I feel me picnic them.
Guide.
Me never beat my picnic.
Guidance. Do you write all your songs?
Alright.
Meds. Me don't know if I write meds.
Alright, whether your meds them or you write it on a paper. Alright. Majority of my song them when me sing I like a freestyle.
Yes.
We just go in at the studio back in the days. You see me I say? And we just sometimes we did have a little idea already. And while you know we in the studio, round the booth, we just finish it up. The long time song them. You see me I say? You have alright, you have cause when I go around the corner I people glory like what some people do. You see, the song when you Pet and Win a Powder Night and Nurse.
Yeah.
That song is me and my family when in Balladeer. We structure that song.
Yeah.
We put that song together. Because he is a man stay back in the days. We have the idea. That man is a man where him good at writing. You see me I say? So we have the idea. I say write out this. I go sing and you write. You see me I say? So we put that one there together. You see me I say? Big up Balladeer anyway you're there.
Yes.
The nowadays song them now, like some days. You see me I say? Go on talk. Oh Lord. Mr. Diamond Gill, and me and him respond to them song there. You see me I say? And we put them song there together.
Yeah, you write for anybody?
I make 2 songs for Ninja Man one time.
Okay.
You see me I say? I make 2 songs for Ninja Man.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah. One time I make 2 songs. And it's a joy again to make 2 songs for my teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah. My teacher can take 2 songs from me. You know. I feel good within myself.
Yes.
Yes.
You stop attending school grade 9.
Yes.
Do you ever look back and wonder what might have been if you had completed high school and probably move on to tertiary level education?
Well, really and truly, Me not to look back at me. Me not look back.
Yeah.
Me not look back on that. Because there's nothing, now is the most important time to teach them.
Yes.
So, I wouldn't look back. I have to do whatsoever I can do now. Because up to today, I can go to boom and go back in the school. You see me I say?
True.
Yeah, it's even easier now to learn more in them time because I want to make you know I never have to go in one classroom to learn.
True.
Everything is on the internet.
So true.
Yeah, I can self-taught my own self, you know. Yeah. I actually can teach my own self because a whole heap of thing when I know. You know, no self-taught.
How many children?
Alright. I get a one daughter. Big up my one daughter. I love her.
Yeah?
So I say,
It's a daughter?
3 sons.
Oh, 3 sons. Okay.
3 sons and 1 daughter. Because we don't hide the thing, you know.
Yes.
That not say I want a few more.
And the youths have good?
Yeah, them good.
What the range? The age?
You see me I say, we don't tell the people them youth them age. I must say a long time we are doing it, you know.
It's a long time.
Yeah, so if I go tell them youth them age. You see me I say, but my youngest youth them. And the reason why I say youth them, my youngest youth them is a twin.
Twin.
A son and a daughter.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Blessings at the farm.
Yes, Papa. You
Yeah.
see me I say, them are 18 next year, so that means
Yeah?
them are 17 you know.
A big people there, man.
Yeah, man, a big people them.
You
see
still
me I
want a
say?
few more.
Yeah, where you say, man? Cause here we go on. Back in the days, yeah. Growing up, me always see the elder man them with some little young youth around them. You know, me couldn't understand or understand at the time why that happened. But since growing up, you know, I kind of understand why it happened. You see, after the youth, them grew up, them go and leave here, you know.
Sure.
Them over there, so I do them things. So you kind of get lonely.
Yeah.
I want one little youth side of you.
And I get grandchild, man.
No, my grandchild and my child. My grandchild and my youth them child here. I feed them pitney. You think me can call me youth them pitney as me ever like I say, come go for some water for me. I go over the shop. Them go to tell us, don't go to the shop for that heat or them thing there. You see me I say, so, more my own youth.
Oh,
You see me I say, yeah man, more my little youth side of me.
Ever been married?
No.
Any plans?
For married?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I love for married one idea, yes.
One idea.
Yeah, give thanks to life, although I don't have a wife. Yeah, man, I like for married one idea. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Married is a great thing. I like to put a ring, you know. Although in a sense it's a kind of Babylon thing in a sense.
Yes.
But to me, how me see married is a form of appreciation. Me assure someone say, me appreciate them. For all the ups.
And downs.
No, not down. Not down.
You know, that's what you pause, you know.
For all the ups, you know, for all the greatness what we go through. You see me I say, fire. For down. For all the greatness what we go through, you know.
Yeah.
And I like to show someone one idea, say, me appreciate. I appreciate, man. So one ring up on your finger and some other things, appreciate for your ups and the greatest.
What has Ninja Ford been up to in recent times?
Well, I up to nothing but good things, you know. You see me I say, because I don't deal with bad things. You see me I say, I am not a negative person. I am a positive
Still in the studio?
person. Yeah, man.
Still working?
Yes. You see me I say, yeah, man, we still at work.
But no, the traveling thing kind of set
But
away
I'm mostly dub plate.
Mostly dub plate.
You see me I say, because the sound man them want to dub them regular, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, a real sound killer, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, them know that. Yeah.
For the people them out there who want to get in touch with dub plates and bookings when that's possible, how do they go about doing that?
Alright, you can link me on Facebook. Glenton Foreman, my name on Facebook, right? And I have a fan page, Surfboard aka Ninja Ford. Likewise, follow me on Instagram or DM me if you want to do some business. Surfboard aka Ninja Ford. Instagram. Follow me, right? And DM me if you want we do some business. Musical business. Right, Papa or Mama? See it there?
For the Ninja Ford fans them out in the streets, what you have to tell them, sir?
Give thanks for the support over the years. You see me I say? Yeah, man. That's all me have to tell them. And whenever time we meet, I just greatness. Crocus bag of joy.
Yeah.
Yes.
How has things been though in the COVID pandemic on a musical, financial level?
Alright, I'm going to show you something right now. You see, alright, when COVID just started, you know, and I scan to the things that we hear, you know, artists are going to stop travel, soundman can play out in the open venue,
Yes.
them and soundman have mostly inside. I start fret, I say, no sir, what go on? Because when I tell me not tell a lie, I say maybe not even next dub me not go sing. Because most of my earnings me not tell a lie is from the soundman them. So when I hear that, I kind of I wonder what go on. You see me I say, but it's a great look. I can't complain.
It's a blessing.
To the way it turn out,
Yeah.
because most of the artists them can tell you right now, say, in the history of in the history of the music, that time them get the most dubplate work.
Strange, eh?
Yeah man. I never did I expect that. You see me I say, I never did I expect
Jah works, so
that.
that's the real fall, man.
Yeah man, Jah works. Yeah man, I never did I expect that, but it happened that way there and it's a great look. Yeah man, great look. You see me I say, even if me no book, you see me I say, great look. Money are going to the bank book, you know, plus the financial reservoir.
Pot of cook.
You see me I say, so tomorrow morning you can cook. But tomorrow Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so I can cook someday.
Give thanks.
Yeah man.
Give thanks.
Yes I.
Father Ford.
Yes
It's a joy, sir.
Yeah,
so,
man.
And first and foremost,
I'm more than joy and all, Sharon too and Pamela.
Sharon and Pav.
Yeah, and Susan.
See,
Right,
and just the other day, we link you and I say, yes, teach them. We're ready. No questions asked.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
matter of fact, when I say Father Ford,
Yeah.
man said, teach them.
Yes.
You know what voice, yeah?
Yeah,
Give
because
thanks,
you
brother.
know, me I want your fans, I want your fan, not fans.
Fans,
You
yeah.
know, fans in MB more than one,
Yeah.
you know, person. And I am not more than one person. Although a Ninja Ford, aka Surfboard, aka Glenton Foreman, but I want somebody. Just remember that. Yeah, but I am one of your fans.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, me
from the heart,
always
brother,
watch
brother.
the program.
I appreciate that.
Because
from
I
the
want
heart.
to make you know what day when Predator thing drop, you know, as me reach at my yard, me see it and it will premiere
Yeah.
at certain
in our
time.
premiere.
Yeah, me I watch. And I wait for it to say, I well want to drop. Because really and truly I want to hear what Predator go say still.
Yeah.
You see me I say, because my friend when me and him use,
Yeah, man.
when me and him
Predator
always
get it,
apart.
man.
Yeah man, me see it. I'm
So
big
matter
him
of
up.
fact, you make me go search for the clip on
Yeah, man.
YouTube.
Big up
when they
Predator.
call him for
You see me I
93.
say?
Sting.
But most of your thing them, you know, we in.
It's a joy for
You
you,
see me I say,
brother,
the
brother.
Harry Toddler, the Bean, alright, see Beanie man.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks. Give thanks.
When Beanie Man, when I watch Beanie Man, or before I watch the Beanie Man interview, I make sure I cook a pot. So I say, cook some food, because I say, system of full of food. Because this more well comfortable. I get a bottle of water to one beer. I say, no sir, Beanie. Yeah man, because we know say Beanie interview whole heap of history.
Yeah, man.
You
That's
me, I
Brother
say,
Ford.
Yeah man.
Sir Ford.
Yes.
Ninja Ford.
Glenton
Foreman.
Yes.
Give thanks, brother.
Yes.
It's an honor. Go
Yeah,
and do
man.
the work.
Yeah man.
And don't worry about song them. Good
Yeah.
music can never die.
True.
You understand what I say?
You're right.
And you have made your mark.
Yes.
You make your name. You carve
Yes.
out your own little niche. Meaning they probably start out in a Ninja Man style, but you're your own man or your own artist.
Yeah, man.
And we can look upon that and respect the growth. And respect
Yes.
the talent.
Yes. Give
See?
thanks.
Brother.
Yeah, man. And also
right.
give thanks to the platform teach them.
Yes, man.
You see me I say, boy, must him mad out order and road. Want put him foot down in a teach them shows. Boy, must him mad out order and road. Want put him foot down in a Ninja Ford shows. Flipping and lipping and call the wrong name. Walking too fast and take the wrong lane. Little bit of boy them when I brought up our train. I tell teach them, then we make him blood drain. Hunting for stripe and them hunting for fame. A box so your teeth scatter like a corn grain. Remember that here?
Mad!
Boy, reverse, not true me this I come from church. Mind me get wicked, mind me get bloodthirst. Boy, reverse, not true me this I come from church. No get teach them wicked, no get him bloodthirst. When we get wicked, everything get worse. We just kick down a boy and dash him on the dirt. Send him to the pastor, body go church. Maybe lick off him teeth, gem drive the earth. Boy, reverse, gun back out. From early out, south. You're too wicked, though, you know. We don't want to go shot no informer, no spy in the mouth, you know. I wonder how it would have feel if me rich like Matalan and have billions in the bank with a Latalan. If me have money like the Arab and the Sheik them, fly out first class every weekend. How it would have feel if me rich like Bill Gates and have link to me links in every state. Woulda put back the smile on many face. Make people feel good and celebrate. Right now to how me feel me need every money. Me a go link past and get every money. Some say L2 at not trouble devil money. One go lock stage show and get rebel money. Green like vegetable money. Stack it up to the sky higher level money. Give me whole family niece and nephew. Duffel bag heavy like bass and no treble money. Sufferation get fling down live like the king's son. Build a mansion we big like Kingston. Begin come a show like a symptom. Tottenham to Brixton, girl watch me like a sitcom. Everywhere is fun, champagne, some a sip rum. Anyway me pull up them say yes, Mr. Rich come. Mr. Rich come, Mr. Rich come. With a whole heap of money. I don't know. Me a do this long time after time. Some say them a bad man a create crime after crime. End up in a court a pay fine after fine. While me a do me thing I make rhyme after rhyme. Put pencil to the paper, write line after line. Enough grudgeful and bad mind after mind. Them no clean. Them sour like lime after lime. Teach them a figure show them some sign after sign. Food been true sound and bands after bands. Love the music so me do it for the fans after fans. Me lyrics them enough like seasons after suns. For entertain thugs and dance after dance. Can't stop me now, me got plans after plans. Give me million, trillion, grands after grands. Buy house and car and lands after lands. If your heart clean, put up your hands. Yo, some say them taking over where boy. When the game they even start, must say free over get boy. Me the tick say them recover them, not sober yet boy. If you this teach them, well you get this, try Ford no new. Ford been to place after place. Done them in a competition, win race after race. Enough exalt and turn base after base. Want intimidate with school face after face. Then spit up in the mic like y'all trace after trace. And some whole heap of thing. Move ya man. Ace after ace. Oh yes.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.